Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Nouns. English learners often struggle with noun forms, especially when to use singular, plural, or no article at all. For example, we don't say an advice, but some advice. In this lesson, we'll explore these common errors and how to fix them. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns have a singular and plural form, like 1 apple, 2 apples. Uncountable nouns refer to things like advice, information, or money. We can't say an information, we say some information or a piece of information. Some plural forms are irregular. We don't say the child's, the correct form is a children. We also say women, not women's. And remember, words like furniture are uncountable, so we don't say our furnitures, just furniture. Some nouns have the same form for singular and plural. Sheep is one of them, we say one sheep and a many sheep. The same goes for deer and fish. Saying 3 sheeps is incorrect, it should be a 3 sheep. Let's fix some more mistakes. An advice should be some advice. A furniture is wrong, say a piece of furniture. An information is incorrect, the right form is some information. Watch out for uncountable nouns and avoid using a or an before them. Let's test your understanding. 1. She has many children. 2. We got some news. 3. He bought a chair. 4. I saw 3 sheep. 5. This is some information. Great work! Let's wrap it up with a recap. Here's a quick recap. Always check if a noun is countable or uncountable. Watch out for irregular plural forms like children and women. Some nouns never take a or an, like advice and information. With regular practice, you'll stop making these common noun mistakes. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.